Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get crafting with Supreet Kaur. So I noticed I haven't posted a video on flowers lately, and that is why for today's video we are going to make these beautiful flowers which are super easy to make, and all you require to make them is tissue paper. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. You will need 10 tissue papers, and I recommend using soft ones because they give a more realistic look to the flowers, scissors and a thread. So start with placing all the tissues on top of each other and get them together. And now fold them as shown, just like you fold a paper to make a paper fan. You can also use a bobby pin to hold the tissue papers together. Now take a thread and secure the tissues from the middle with a firm knot. You can cut the extra thread if you want to. Now, cut the edges of the tissues into a curve as shown, so that it looks like the petals of the flower. Here comes the part where you need to be very careful handling the tissues because you can easily tear them while fluffing them out. Carefully fluff out one tissue and shape it till you get the desired look. Take your time and work on every tissue patiently. Now fluff out another tissue from the other side and repeat the same process. So this is the end result. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you guys like this video. Do share your views in the comment section below and I'll see you guys next time.